Welcome back to this video. If you use Chrome browser on your phone, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to make your Chrome browser very faster and speed up your Chrome browsing experience. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Chrome browser. So I'm going to open up my Chrome browser. Next thing you need to do is to click on this plus sign right here to create a new tab. The next thing you need to do is to come to the search type. Then what you need to do right here is to type in Chrome //flags, then hit enter. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to come to the search flags right here. Then what you need to do right here is to type in protocol. It's going to take you to experimental QUIC protocol. So in this section here, enable experimental QUIC protocol support Mac, Windows, Linux, Chrome, and Android. What you need to do is to simply click on default right here. Then make sure you choose enable. Then relaunch your Chrome. And with that, your Chrome become much more faster. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also, remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.